What's up, y'all? It's Samba. So I've been getting a lot of questions regarding the filming and editing process for the Breakthrough Junior Challenge. I mean, the entry submissions are just around the corner and you're editing your videos, which is really great. So today I'm here with another video to guide you all through the process of creating your entry for the Breakthrough Junior Challenge, where I'll be answering the most common questions that I've been getting relating to the video making and editing process. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I use Premiere Pro and After Effects. These were very powerful software in terms of the array of animations and editing tools that were available. iMovie and PowerPoint are very popular options too. Used together, they can allow you to create so many amazing animations. And they're also very intuitive and fun to animate with. There are a lot of other software out there available to you that you can definitely use too. That said, any editing software that you're very comfortable with is perfect. There are so many ways in which you can explain your topic. Just let your creativity run free. Your options are literally unlimited. It's all about finding your voice and explaining your concept in your own creative way. But to get you started, in addition to speaking in front of the camera, you can also explain your topic through, for example, using whiteboards or paper, so basically drawing on the whiteboard or paper to explain your topic. Demos, so using real-life objects to explain your concept. Stop motion videos allow you to bring life to Legos, origami, and so on and so forth. Animations that you can play around with on your editing software. And there are so many other ways that you can definitely explore too. You can also check out Breakthrough's YouTube channel, and there are tons of videos that you can watch for more inspiration on concepts that you could explain and to generally get a better idea of different tools that you could use to explain your concept. Anything that is readily available to you works perfectly. I had a camera, like a basic one, so I used that to record myself. And yes, you can definitely use your phone too. Well, there are a lot of videos available to you on YouTube and tutorials on different websites. These were very useful resources. I'll say around 3 weeks because I was learning how to use the software and at the same time creating my video for the Breakthrough Junior Challenge. As long as the videos and images that you want to use are copyright free, so does not violate any copyrights, you can definitely use them. The whole process of finding a topic, writing the script, research, editing, and so on and so forth took me around 6 weeks. major tip here is to make sure that you know your script prior to recording yourself, as this will save you a lot of times in terms of retakes. Also, make sure that you're filming horizontally. One final tip here is to have fun, really. This competition brings together so many people from all around the world who, just like you, love science and maths. And at the same time, it allows you to learn so much in the process. Like, you have no idea how many new concepts I've learned during the 6 weeks of preparing my entry. So yeah, enjoy the process, enjoy the experience, because you'll learn so much from it. I hope that you found this Q&A helpful. Feel free to leave any additional questions that you may have in the comment section below, or you can message me on my Instagram or Twitter. And I'll see you next time.